Today I'm going to be doing a public reading at the local library of Christmas stories for kids, but I have to find Christmas stories that I have hidden somewhere in this crawl space, and it is very messy. Somewhere in here. So I just got back from reading at the public library. I read Christmas stories that they then filmed through the local access television, and they're going to edit the footage and share it on TV before Christmas, and that's why I'm wearing green today and my Christmas earrings. It went off really well. There were a lot of people there who read stories. Some of them were obviously veteran storytellers. I read The Nutcracker and How the Grinch Stole Christmas. And I've never really read for television before, but they all said I did a great job. I used to read stories to my younger siblings. I would write a chapter or two of my novel, and then I would sit down and read it with my siblings. So it was kind of taking me back to the younger days when we were all younger and life was simpler, and we would just read stories together, and I'd read my stories aloud, and nostalgia, serious nostalgia. So I think it was that. I think I read well just because I was having a ball and something I really, really love to do, so it was fun.